let's say that you're in your drum room or you're going on a gig and you want to be able to capture the sound that's coming off your board or that you're hearing in your ears and relay that to a live stream on Facebook or Instagram or TikTok, YouTube, any social media platform. All you need is one little simple device. This is called the iRig 2. It's made for guitar players. They want you to download an app that will allow you to have different amp modifications, different effect pedals for guitar. I, however, have taken this device and been able to capture the audio that comes off my board or that I'm getting from my ears and relay that to a live feed. And it's very, very simple. As you can see, it comes with a headphone output, a guitar 1/4 inch input, and then on the top here is a through channel if you want to go into like a guitar effects pedal or an amp. There's a switch on the side that has through or effects depending on if you're using the app or not. It also has a gain knob to allow the amount of signal that's going to come through this iRig. Right here is a little 1/8 inch, but it's a tip ring sleeve with that extra black line, which usually signifies a microphone line. Once you plug this into your headphone on your phone, it will bypass the internal microphone and use this thing instead. All you gotta do, if you don't have a headphone port on your phone or iPad, is use this little dongle piece. Take it, insert it there. I'm Lightning. I take my phone, insert it here, and you're all set. It's that simple. I have this thing in my description under a link if you'd like to follow that. They are super inexpensive. They only cost about $49.99 and you can find them pretty much anywhere. Again, this is the IK Multimedia iRig 2 guitar plugin. Now they make iRig Pre, which will allow you to plug a microphone directly into the interface. And then they have their digital interface versions, which are usually their HD and higher. So they have a Pro version that has a 2-channel. They have a Pro version with a 1-channel. They have ones that specifically are made for Android. I'm telling you that this is all that you need. It's very, very simple to stream audio to your phone to use on a social media website. I'm going to show you right now, giving you some demos of pulling my sound in that studio to my phone. Alright, thanks for watching. Again, iRig 2. Very inexpensive, very easy to use. Anybody can do it. And you have top quality sound going to your live streams. If you'd like to purchase this device, I have a link in my description you can follow. Thanks for watching this video. If you don't mind, hit subscribe for me. I would really appreciate it. You can also follow me on all social media platforms at bdags79. Peace.